Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma. Today in this video, I will explain about significant figures. Every experimental measurement has some amount of uncertainty associated with it because of limitation of measuring instrument and the skills of the person making the measurement. For example, mass of an object is obtained using a platform balance and it comes out to be 9.4 grams. On measuring the mass of this object on an analytical balance, the mass obtained is 9.4213 grams. The mass obtained by an analytical balance is slightly higher than the mass obtained by using a platform balance. Therefore, digit 4 placed after decimal in the measurement by platform balance is uncertain. The uncertainty in the experimental or the calculated values is indicated by mentioning the number of significant figures. So, what is significant figure? The significant figures of a number are digits that carry meaningful contributions to its measurement. Significant figures are the digits in a number of that indicates reliability of a measurement. In this video, I will explain about the rules for determining significant figures with simple examples. First of all, I will explain first rule. First rule says all non-zero digits are significant. For example, in 285 centimeter, there are three significant figures, and in 0.25 ml, there are two significant figures. Second rule is that second rule preceding to first non-zero digits are not significant. Such zero indicates the position of decimal point. Example like 0.03 has one significant figure and 0.0052 has two significant figures. Zeros at the end or right of a number are significant provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. For example, 0.200 has three significant figures. Now come to the rule 3. The rule 3, according to this rule, zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Here one example I am showing. 2.005 has four significant figures. Now come to the rule 4. For example, in this rule, 100 has only one significant figure, but 100.100 has three significant figures, and 100.0 has four significant figures. Such numbers are better represented in scientific notation. We can also express the number 100 as 1 into 10 to the power 2. So it is only one significant figure. 1.0 into 10 to the power 2, that is having two significant figures, and 1.00 into 10 to the power 2 has three significant figures. Similarly, 4.01 into 10 to the power 2 has three significant figures, and 8.256 into 10 to the power minus 3 has four significant figures. Now come to the last rule, that is rule number 5. Counting the number of object, for example 2 balls or 20 eggs, have infinite significant figures, as these are exact numbers and can be represented by writing infinite number of zeros after placing a decimal, that is 2 is equal to 2.00000, or 20 we can write that is equal to 20.0000. So this is the fundamentals of significant figures, and you can write in scientific notation of all the digits that are significant by the help of these rules. Please like and subscribe this channel, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My contact details are given in this video. Thank you for watching this video.